Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to customize file names for signed documents in BoldSign. BoldSign offers the flexibility to customize file names for signed documents, allowing account administrators to change them according to their organization's requirements. By default, the file name includes the document title and status. Administrators can change this in the business profile using predefined file name patterns. This feature is especially useful for organizations that require uniform and easily identifiable file names across various document types, thus creating a consistent and organized naming system. Let me demonstrate how to change that setting in detail. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I expand the Settings menu and choose Business Profile to navigate to the Business Profile page. Only account administrators can access this page. I scroll down to the Customize Naming for Signed Documents section. Here, there is a description of the features used. You can click the documentation link to learn more about this feature. By default, this pattern is set to include document title and status, and a sample is provided with reference to a contract document. This default pattern cannot be edited. To create a custom file name, I select the Custom Pattern option. Once selected, a text box appears, accompanied by an information icon. I hover over the information icon to view a tooltip that details the rules for creating custom file names. This tooltip helps structure file names correctly by outlining the format requirements. The rules ensure that the chosen patterns are properly formatted and compatible, avoiding errors, and creating consistent organized file names that fit the needs. Next, I click the text box to select the desired file name pattern. A list of available options and their descriptions appears below the box. I can choose one or more file name patterns from the list. The selected patterns will automatically update the file name format in the sample section. If you select multiple options, file names will follow the formats you've chosen in the order selected. For example, if I want signed documents to include the signed document title, signer's name, and completion date, I select those options. If I try to include a fourth option, an error notification appears, indicating that only 3 patterns are allowed. A sample format is provided, referencing a contract document. I click the Save Changes button to save my changes. And now whenever a document is completed, and the completed version is downloaded, the title follows the format I have customized here. These changes do not apply to previously completed documents. This update applies to all users within the organization. Let's create a signature request for a recipient and see how the feature works after the document is completed. I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I upload the required form in the Add Files section. Next, I add the signer's details to the Add Recipient section. Once that's done, I click the Next button to go to the Configure Fields page. This is where I'll set up the form fields. I drag and drop the required form fields. When done, I'll check the document once and proceed to send it out for signature. The signer will receive a signature request email and can proceed to sign the document. After the signer completes the document, I need to download a copy for storage and reference. To do this, I locate the document from the My Documents page. I click the Context menu and select Download Document. The document is downloaded successfully, and the name I customized is used. As you can see, the document title, signer name, and completion date are provided. This naming pattern is also applicable to the audit trail. In the completion email, the signed document and audit trail are attached with their title, reflecting the pattern I customized in the business profile. That summarizes how to customize file names for signed documents. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.